Hello everyone and welcome to Bevins Builds, and today I'm doing a quick update on my furnace drain line as I've had several questions about how it was holding up. Now the first thing I want to say is it has been below 20 degrees every single day for the last 2 weeks, and still I want to show you that when the water comes out of here it is actually quite warm. Yes, it does actually ice up a little bit, but again, that is 2 weeks of water actually accumulating. And if you're worried about it, all you'd have to do is come over here and kick it away. But as the water's dripping on it, it kind of melts it also. But again, like I said, just kind of showing you, because it is cold, we've had a lot of snow, and I have yet to have a problem here. And as you'll notice, I have a little piece of plastic that I put against the building there. And the reason that is because the water that's actually come out of that is a bit caustic. Now, physically in the ground where this is leaking, I actually have some limestone as well. And the reason that I have that is because when the water, specifically in the spring anyway, and in the summer months, in the winter not so much, when it runs out, it'll hit that rock that's in the ground there, and it takes the caustic levels away from that water. But again, I also want to point out that if you are worried about this, all you have to do is just give it a little bit of a tap, and that ice will break away. There, I just gave it a tap to show you how easy it was, and I was trying to record it, but the camera was so jittery that I don't have that little part in it. But again, like I said, you just give it a little tap and it comes right off. But as again, you can see on the back there, because as the water's running down, it is warm, and it actually keeps melting a hole in there anyway. So, again, to all those people that were concerned about this particular style and method of hooking up a drain line, really, there should be no concern at all. If you are concerned, because I know there isn't a ton of snow here, the most we've gotten was 7 inches in one snowstorm. But if you were concerned, you could build a small wooden doghouse just to set over that to keep the snow away from it. But I really don't feel that it's something that's necessary. Anyway, again, just a real quick update video as to how my drain line was performing. So anyway, as always, thank you for coming to Bevins Builds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share below, and hopefully we'll see you next time on Bevins Builds.